Exercise 1.4, that we should complete the following. 0.0021 can be expressed as 2.1 times 10 raised to the power of what? It's going to be times 10 raised to the power of the number of times the decimal point is being moved. And you have to move the decimal point until it gets to the back of the first non-zero digit. So if you move this, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. 2 is the first non-zero digit. So once you get to the back of 2, you stop. That's why we have 2.1 times 10 raised to the power of, how many times was it moved? 1, 2, 3. So this is times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. This is 8.9 times 10 raised to the power of, how many times are you moving it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. 3, this is 2.8 times 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 7, while this is 3.65 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, because you are moving it 1, 2, 3, minus 3. This is said to be, okay, they're asking us to find the value of A, why the power is being given. This now can be said to be 9.2. Is it 9.2? Let's confirm. We are going to move it 9 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 9.2. Number 6, it is moved 3 times. So if you move decimal point 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you are going to have 7.59, which is the answer. And in number 7, this is going to give you 2.9 because it is moved 1, 2, 3 times. And in number 8, this is said to be 3.87 times 10 raised to the power of minus 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So definitely what we are going to get in this case will be 3, will not be this. Okay, so we are going to have, because the power says minus 9, so we are going to move it 9 times, and this becomes 38700. So if I'm to write it the way it is, ordinarily I feel this is a mistake in the past, but if it is not, maybe they are testing us to see how much we can move the decimal point, then you have to move it 9 times to the left, and this is what you will get. That is 38,700 times 10 raised to the power of minus 9.